Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today, I want to share one long motivational story that will help you practice listening, shadowing, and speaking. This story will inspire you, teach you new vocabulary, and help you think in English naturally. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. The Mountain Climber. There was a young man named Daniel. He lived in a small town surrounded by tall, beautiful mountains. Every morning, he would look at the biggest mountain and dream of standing on its peak. It was the highest, hardest, and most dangerous mountain in the area. People told him many things. Some said, "It's too high." Some said, "It's too difficult." Some said, "You will never reach the top." But Daniel had one strong belief inside his heart. If I take one step every day, I can reach any place in the world. So he decided to start his journey. On the first day, he climbed only a little. He felt tired quickly. His legs were weak. His breathing was heavy. He thought, maybe they were right. Maybe it's too hard. But then he looked up at the mountain and whispered, "One step, just one more step." And he continued. Day after day, Daniel returned to the mountain. Some days he climbed fast. Some days he climbed very slowly. Some days he fell, slipped, or felt pain. Some days he wanted to quit. But he never stopped. He kept taking small steps. One morning, after many months of climbing, Daniel reached a very steep area. The rocks were sharp. The air was thin. His legs were shaking. He felt fear. He felt doubt. He looked down and thought, "I've come so far. Should I stop here?" At that moment, an old hiker appeared behind him. The man smiled gently and said, "You have two choices. Stop because you're tired, or continue because you're almost there." These words touched Daniel's heart. He took a deep breath and said, "I will continue." Step by step, he climbed the final part of the mountain. His hands were shaking, his legs were weak, his clothes were dirty and wet, but his heart was strong. And then, after one final step, Daniel reached the top. He stood on the peak above the clouds, feeling the cold air on his face and the warm sunlight on his skin. He looked down at his town far below. Everything looked small. Everything looked peaceful. He whispered to himself, "I did it. One step at a time. I made it." In that moment, Daniel realized something powerful. The mountain was not his enemy. The mountain was his teacher. It taught him patience, courage, discipline, and strength. Later, when Daniel returned home, people asked him, "How did you climb that huge mountain?" He smiled and answered, "I didn't climb a mountain. I just took one small step every day." Now, my friend, repeat this with me. One step every day. I keep moving forward. I don't give up. I can reach my goals. I believe in myself. Again, one step every day. I keep moving forward. I don't give up. I can reach my goals. I believe in myself. Beautiful. Let this story guide you in your English journey. Fluency is not one big step.
It is many small steps done daily with patience and courage. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing every single day.